Hey guys, April Melvin here, and I am co-owner of Midwest Senior Benefits and Right Way Insurance Group. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to enroll in Original Medicare. But before I get into that main part of the message, I do want to ask that you guys please like and subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos on Thursday, and they are all centered around insurance. So if you want to know what your insurance is, have a deeper and better understanding of that, and kind of want a no-nonsense way to explain it, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell. All right, so you have sat down, hopefully with a broker, and determined that Original Medicare is the right route for you and your family, but how the heck do you sign up for it? Well, you can certainly go to your local Social Security office and you can go in there, you can talk to the representatives. Oftentimes they will set up an appointment in the future for someone to call you and go through the application with you. You can certainly go that route. You can also enroll online, and so that's what I'm going to talk to you guys about today. All of that is done at ssa.gov. So the Social Security Administration handles all of Medicare enrollment. So if you're wanting to apply online, step number one is you can apply up to 3 months out. Here's what I mean by that. My name is April. I was born in April. So that means March, February, January 1, I can go to ssa.gov and I can start the enrollment process. So if you're 6 months out from turning 65, it is way too early for you to begin this process. You can begin it 3 months before your birthday month. So for me, that is January 1. So January 1, I am sitting down at my computer and I am putting in the URL ssa.gov. This is going to take me to the main Social Security website. My first big tip, do not log into your account. I know it makes the most logical sense, right? When you go to ssa.gov, we think, well, I need to log in to my account. It will not work. If you log into your Social Security account, there's no way on your homepage to access the Medicare application. I don't understand it. I just know that that's the way it is. So when you get to ssa.gov, do not log in first. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply for benefits. Now that link at the moment lives on the homepage. There's a big white box when you first log in. In the middle column under the heading Apply, the second link is Apply for Medicare. You want to click on that link. It's going to take you to another page. You scroll a little bit further down that page, the top box, there'll be a little blue button that says Apply Now. You want to click on that button, and that's going to take you through a series of pages where you'll want to answer all of the questions. At some point, you will get to the question, do you have a My Social Security account? If you don't, do not worry. You're going to be prompted to set one up. If you do, then pick the right one, log in, and complete the application. Truly, start to finish, it should take you 10 to 20 minutes if you know what you're doing. Where it gets long is if you don't have the right login information. So I would encourage you before you start the process to make sure that you have a My Social Security account and that the username and the password are correct. That's the longest part. Once you get in, it does go pretty quickly. My big advice on this is don't do it alone. So one of the things that we do for our clients, absolutely free, it doesn't cost them anything, is we help walk them through this process. There's a lot of steps. Medicare asks a lot of weird questions that sometimes if you don't understand why they're asking it, you may not know how to answer it. And so one of the things, again, that we do completely free for our clients is we help walk them through this process. So you certainly can do it on your own. It is all done at ssa.gov, but I guess a bonus tip is if you would like some assistance with that, then below is our website. Our website has our calendar link. You are welcome to click on that, and I am happy to help walk you through this process. Again, we do it all the time for our clients. But that's it. That is how you enroll in Original Medicare online. Again, you can do it in person if you want. I prefer the online option. And again, if you want help with that, then please check out our website below and use that calendar link to get on our calendar. We do a Zoom meeting. It's pretty informal, but I help walk you through it, and I am happy to do that. So that is my big tip for the day, how to enroll in Medicare Online. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I hope that helps. I'll see you guys next Thursday.